Welcome to Outsourced Marketing. If you're a small or medium-sized business owner, what I'm about to share with you could completely transform how you think about marketing in 2026. This is the new marketing engine, a proven, modern system built to generate real, measurable results for businesses just like yours. For too long, small and medium businesses have been sold on random tactics. A social post here, a Google ad there, maybe a new website, with no real strategy holding it all together. That's what I call random acts of marketing, and it's costing you time, money, and growth. The 2026 marketing engine is different. It's a fully integrated, strategy-led system where every tactic connects, every effort compounds, and AI-enhanced execution multiplies your results. At the heart of this engine is a powerful system with 4 core components working in harmony. Think of it like a precision machine. Each ring serves a specific purpose, and together they drive consistent, scalable growth. Let me walk you through how it works. Everything starts with the strategy core, the anchor of the entire machine. This is where we define your ideal client, your unique value proposition, your competitive positioning, your revenue goals, and your brand messaging. Without this foundation, no tactic will ever perform at its full potential. With it, every marketing dollar works harder and smarter. The first ring around that core is the Fractional CMO, the architect of your engine. This is senior marketing leadership without the full-time cost. The Fractional CMO calibrates your budget, interprets your data, and selects the right tactics for your specific stage of growth. This is the strategic brain that keeps your engine running at peak performance. The second ring is the engine room, where your human team and a trained AI platform work side by side. Your team brings the creativity, relationships, and judgment. The AI brings speed, scale, and consistency. Together, they produce more output at higher quality than either could achieve alone. This is where your marketing truly comes to life. The outer ring is where your modernized tactics live, fully powered by your AI platform. These are not the same old tactics from 5 years ago. Every gear in this ring has been updated for 2026, designed to work together and amplified by technology. Let's look at the tactical gear grid in detail. Under Capture and Convert, we have AI-optimized web experiences, high-converting lead magnets, and smart retargeting. Under Search and Authority, we deploy SEO, thought leadership content, and AI-assisted PR. Under Audience and Nurture, we run email automation, social media, and community building, all working in concert to move prospects through your funnel. Now let's see the engine in motion. The 2026 operational flow moves through 4 stages. First, we attract the right audience with targeted content and search visibility. Then, we capture their attention with compelling offers and lead generation. Next, we nurture relationships through automated, personalized touchpoints. And finally, we convert prospects into loyal, paying customers, and then repeat the cycle to fuel ongoing growth. Here's the bottom line. In 2026, businesses that run a precise, connected marketing engine will outperform those still doing random acts of marketing. The question isn't whether you need this system, it's whether you're ready to build it. At Outsourced Marketing, we help small and medium businesses install this engine, run it, and scale it. Let's build your 2026 marketing engine together. Visit outsourcedmarketing.ca or reach out to us directly. The growth you've been working toward is closer than you think.